Hey everybody, welcome back to George Digital. I'm George Johnson. I just want to give you guys a really quick update. This won't take very long to go over, but I have finished up loading up all of the post the blog post for AZ SolarCare. Right now, we're looking at about 943 published posts right now. I also used Link Whisper to sort of automatically have these links go directly to um, the main service pages, which is nice. But yeah, these it's wild to what we can do today with automation and whatnot, going all the way to 900 some odd posts within over a weekend. Um, Now I will say that nothing, as you see, these were done on the 22nd. Right now, nothing's really popped, right? I think I have one here that sort of showed up, but then it's already starting to fall off. So, if these don't have any links going to them, if these don't have any traffic going to them, and this site has a relatively low domain rating anyway, Google's not going to look very favorably on this. But that all said, I have researched some new ways, some new tactics on getting uh, different pages crawled, not necessarily indexed, but getting pages crawled, and I am going to look into that and see how many of these I can get crawled because you can see here I have 463 not indexed and only 138 are actually indexed and floating around somewhere. So I'm definitely going to dig into that a little bit. But hey, while I have your guys' attention, I do want to mention another mass page or mass site that I was dealing with, and this one's actually doing very, very well. Um, this one I'm actually ranking right now. As you can see, the current date is a third. I'm ranking very well for all of these you know terms for HVAC SEO in the city. Again, like it starts to drop off a little bit, but I think you're looking at looking at over a hundred terms right now for HVAC SEO, plus city, um, doing quite well. You learn how to speak. Anyway, it's been good. Hope you guys gather some information from this. If you guys need any services from me, I am a SEO consultant. I do run George Digital. So if you want to see results like these, if you want to uh, you know even just run some projects, I'm good for that as well. So anyway, take care. Have a good one. Good luck in the SERPs.